This week, Apple made headlines once again with exciting updates and ambitious innovations. From the powerful iPhone 17 Pro to surprising iOS 18.4 updates, let's dive into the latest buzz surrounding the tech giant. iPhone 17 Pro, a game-changer with vapor chamber technology. Apple is gearing up to take performance to the next level with the upcoming iPhone 17 Pro. Powered by the A19 chipset and featuring vapor chamber cooling, this flagship device promises unmatched performance and enhanced thermal efficiency. This innovative cooling system allows the chipset to operate at higher capacity for longer periods, making overheating a thing of the past. Exclusive iPhone 16 special offers. If you've been eyeing an iPhone 16, now's the time to act. Retailers like Amazon UK are offering significant discounts on the iPhone 16 lineup, excluding the iPhone 16e. These deals solidify Amazon as a go-to destination for smartphone shoppers. Don't miss out on these savings. iOS 18.4 early release brings new features. Apple surprised users with an early release of iOS 18.4, packed with security enhancements, new emojis, and fresh updates to apps. One highlight is the Vision Pro app, adding another layer of excitement to Apple's software ecosystem. Additionally, WhatsApp can now be set as the default messaging app worldwide, a major shift influenced by the Digital Markets Act. Apple Watch, transforming health with glucose monitoring. The Apple Watch continues to redefine wearable technology. Apple's research into non-invasive glucose monitoring is paving the way for revolutionary health tools. Using advanced optical absorption spectroscopy and laser technology, the company is working on a groundbreaking method to measure blood sugar levels without skin pricks. Apple's satellite connectivity challenges. Apple's push for satellite connectivity has sparked competition with industry giants like SpaceX and T-Mobile. As Apple collaborates with Globalstar, securing spectrum rights remains a key focus. The company's space ambitions highlight its commitment to expanding connectivity solutions for users worldwide. A glimpse into Apple's glass iPhone vision. The dream of a glass-enclosed iPhone is closer than ever. Apple's recent patents reveal plans for interactive glass designs with touch-sensitive areas extending to the back and sides of the device. This futuristic design could redefine user interaction and repairability.